So in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to open an Uber Eats driver account specifically in Portugal. So first, visit the Uber Eats website or download the Uber driver app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, on the home page, look for the option that says Sign up to deliver. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email that you check regularly. Then, choose how you'd like to deliver your orders, either by car, scooter, or in bike. So in Portugal, all three options are available, so pick one that suits you best. After selecting your delivery method, you'll need to provide some necessary documents, which includes a copy of your driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance documents, and a photo of your vehicle if you're using one. If you're on a bike or scooter, just your ID is enough. Once you have uploaded your documents, Uber Eats will process your application. This can take a few days. And when your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. After that, you can start using the Uber driver app to accept delivery requests and earn money. And that's it. You're now ready to start delivering for Uber Eats in Portugal.